Today, I'm sharing a full tour of my Ocean Terrace Suite aboard Explora I of Explora Journeys. Welcome, I'm Cheryl with Travel with SIG Travel Agency, and I'm also known as SIG the Solo Cruiser. This is suite number 8070, which is located on Deck 8 near the aft of the ship. A key card is required to operate the lights in the room. Above is a thermostat which reads the temperature in Celsius, and the response to changes was fast. Below are two indicators for your suite host. One is your privacy or do not disturb exterior light indicator. The other is the light to request for your room to be tidied up. There are two light switches to operate different lights in the room, but they not only turn your lights on and off, they act as dimmers as well by pressing and holding. The first switch is for the main room lights, and the second is for the accent lights throughout the suite. Next, we'll check out the walk-in closet that leads to the bathroom. But first, there's a sliding door that closes off this space if needed. Let's check out the storage space. The two-sided illuminated hanging space comes with plenty of hangers, but you can always ask for more if needed. Below the hanging space is a jewelry jar with transparent casing. The drawer has compartments that you can use any way that suits you. There's a complimentary sewing kit and shoe mitts for shining shoes. There's also a combo shoehorn, lint brush, and shoe brush available. The next drawer has your laundry bag and laundry list for laundry service should you need it. But there are also complimentary washers and dryers on decks 9 and 10 on Explora I. Each Ocean Terrace Suite comes with two soft, comfortable robes and two sets of slippers. Above your hanging space are two shelves that can be used for storage if needed. There's also a shoe tray available in your suite. The walk-in also has your vanity area with a large illuminated mirror, counter space, and a lighted makeup mirror as well. On the desk, there's also a US and European outlet for any additional needs. The drawer holds a top-of-the-line Dyson hair dryer. Now let's check out the bathroom. The first thing I want to point out is my favorite feature, the heated marble floors. Even with a Caribbean itinerary, if you keep your suite on the cooler side, you're going to love this feature, especially in the mornings. There's an on-off indicator and a dial to control the heat level. At the maximum level, the floor is not hot, but rather warm and soothing to the touch. Next, there's a wall-to-wall mirror and ledge that hangs over the countertop. The ledge is great for keeping the countertop clutter-free, and the bar kept everything in place. Explora Journeys carry their own line of personal care products, and the scent is heavenly. Each day, your cabin feels like a day in the spa with their mandala blue soap and lotion. The area below the sink contains the trash bin and shelving that can be used as storage if needed. There's also a small area under the counter where your shower caps are stored. There's no outlet in the bathroom, but A and C ports are available for charging your devices. Behind the bathroom door are two wall hooks where you can hang your robe or other items. With the bench and marble floors, this shower is so spacious you can walk around in it. You have your choice of a rain shower or a shower wand. And I didn't find the shower wand to be adjustable for height, as I usually adjust it downward, but it didn't feel necessary because of the amount of space in the shower. There's a grab bar at the front of the shower, and there are mandala blue body soap, shampoo, and conditioner. And there's a shelf for your own personal products. Now let's check out the living space of the suite. Outside of the closet is a wide, full-length mirror. We'll start by noting the beautiful decor. Warm neutrals and beautiful accent accessories makes the suite feel like home. Let's check out the sleeping area with a plush wall headboard and drop ceiling with recessed lighting. Both nightstands on either side of the bed have a lower motion sensored light. The two drawers are very roomy. The top of the nightstand has a mag charger, an accent pillow, and an alarm clock. This side of the bed has A and C ports and light switch controls. And there's also a bedside reading light. Before your cruise, you can set your room preferences and select the types of pillows and bedding that you want. The nightstand on the opposite side of the bed has the same setup as the other side, with the addition of US and European power outlets. Across from the bed is a sizable wall mirror and shelf. You have a pair of binoculars that you can use during your journey, a book of information about the available spa experiences, writing instruments, and your suite phone. This cabinet below has shelving for additional storage space if needed. Above the remaining desk area is a large screen TV where you can listen to ship announcements and information, check your account, watch live TV, and you have an extensive library of movies that you can watch if you want to spend the day or evening in your suite. Another pre-cruise selection you can make for your suite is a choice of red or white wine and a spirit. These welcome gifts will be in your suite upon your arrival. You will also have 2 bottles of filtered water, which are refilled daily as you use them. Now, behind the water bottles are US and European outlets, as well as A and C USB charging ports. The space below the desktop contains additional drawers for storage and an extra large safe where you can store a laptop and other electronics, and it has a separate holder for your jewelry. The other side has 2 additional drawers for storage. The Ocean Terrace Suite has a room divider that holds not only accents, but actual books that you can enjoy reading if you so choose. Now let's check out the sitting area with a comfortable sofa and glass table that you can use for in-room dining. Now this can also be used as office space if you're a remote worker, since the desk area does not have space for a desk chair. On embarkation day, your room will be set up with a chilled welcome bottle of champagne, a welcome note, 2 flutes, 2 Explora Journeys water bottles that are yours as a gift, and welcome room treats. And if you have food allergies, you can make your suite host aware and your treats will be adjusted. Across from the seating area is where you'll find your refrigerator stocked with beer, wine, and sodas, which is included in your fare. Above the refrigerator is your in-suite coffee and tea station, and your champagne, wine, and water glasses, and a cutlery set and napkin. The second shelf contains your coffee and espresso cups, pods, and condiments. The lower shelf has your espresso maker, ice bucket, and water kettle for tea. Now this is a nice touch when you're hanging in your suite and just want a little something quickly. And finally, we'll take a look at the best part of any suite, the terrace. First, the terrace is draped by a curtain and liner to allow you to control the amount of light in your suite at any time of the day. The terrace door has dual locking with the latch and the handle. With the handle in the up position, you can slide the door open and walk onto the terrace. The terrace has 2 comfortably cushioned chairs and a table that can be used for in-room dining or even workspace for a workday at sea. You also have a wide, comfortable chaise to relax on and gaze out at the ocean. And don't be surprised if you fall asleep out here on your chaise as you listen to the sound of the ocean on this terrace with complete privacy. And this was a tour of Ocean Terrace Suite 8070 on Explora I. A suite with a home away from home feel and a spa suite experience. This suite made for a pleasant stay. Are you ready to try Explora Journeys, but don't want to try it alone? Join me on Explora II for my Caribbean Opulence group cruise. Check the description box for the link. Now, are you ready for your first or your next cruise and need assistance? Scan the QR code and let's work together to plan your customized cruise experience.